we are rolling.
What attracts your attention when using the app?
Um, Probably the newsfeed attracts my attention the most. Notifications, friend requests, messages from Messenger, so anything like that would definitely attract my attention. Um, yeah, and definitely the posts, obviously, for obvious reasons. They have usually, for the most part, use images, so that will definitely attract uh, the attention, um, and just for a long period of time too, because you can end up, like I said, in regards to the user, taking up too much time with the app and scrolling through all of the posts and newsfeed. So,
Alright. So also what you said with the newsfeed, is it like when anything like new comes by? So it's like you're always checking.
new stuff, old stuff. It's don't like usually new stuff, but the only old stuff that you see is probably relatively new stuff, or slightly old stuff that other friends that you have shared as well. So you're seeing it for the second or third or fourth time even.
Alright.
So, something like that.
So what stands out the most when you use the app?
Um, I think we already answered that question, didn't we?
No, we asked if it was like visually appealing.
Oh, that was the visually appealing one.
Yep.
We're gonna cut this out. No,
Yeah.
you worry.
I don't worry, I can ask another one. So, why do you use the app?
I use it to primarily for the newsfeed because I follow certain people and or pages that I like personally. So I like to keep up to date with them and follow them to know what's new, what's relevant, something like if it's a game company, what updates are happening, what new games are coming out, what's the DLC, for example, stuff like that. Um, so that and stay connected with friends, and especially here at Full Sail, like I stated earlier, it's good for networking. You just get, hey, what's your name? I'll add you on Facebook, and then we can chat through Messenger and keep in touch that way for business and or just friendly relations. So they both work.
Alright. So, are there other apps that you might use other than this one?
In regards to like similarity of how they operate, or
Yeah.
uh, I mean, not really. I'm not honestly too much of an app user. I just actually got the iPhone that I have now currently when I moved down here for Full Sail. So I'm kind of new actually to the smartphone world. I mean, it's definitely been around, but I just got it, so it's a little new to me still. So I really only have like the Facebook, the regular apps that you have. I don't know anything that's relatable in terms of. Oh, you know what? Yeah, actually, Snapchat. That is one I got down here. It's the first thing. Um, so yeah, with Snapchat, it's kind of like texting and Messenger, but in a little different way that makes it a little more fun with the use of images as its primary source. So you can just simply message people, and they call it Snapchat for a reason. Like they go away in a snap, in a sense, really quickly. So you can text people through that, but they go away after a certain amount of time with images, or you can text them in text. But with text, it will go away, so it can sometimes be confusing with conversations. So that's why I prefer to use just the regular messages and text through that, because it saves all your messages. However, you could with Snapchat use the messaging system, but you have to manually save the messages in there. So it still works, but taking pictures and or videos and sending them to your friends, or what it's called, the story that you have on there, so that everyone can view it, and all the features that are on there. That's really cool. So that's another one that I started using since I've been down here.
And which one would you use like professionally, in a sense?
Definitely Facebook. Professionally, you can make it look professional. You can make pages, groups, clubs, or whatnot. Um, Talk to friends through the messaging system on there, or through the Messenger app, which is connected. Definitely more professional that way rather than Snapchat, because it does, again, you have to save manually. It's meant to be fun and playful, and with all the videos and stuff. So
Alright. And also like with Snapchat, do you think like the like the interface design is like better there than Facebook, or do you think like they're both on par with each other?
yeah, I'd say they're both on par, and they're both constantly getting updates, especially Snapchat. I can't remember how new it is, the app. I'm not sure when it came out exactly, but I do know it's definitely updating quite frequently, and they're coming out with new features that make the app easier to use and a little bit more fun and interesting. So,
Alright. So with the app that you use, does it help you in your program in any way? Like
in regards to Facebook,
yes.
um, I would say yes, because I've joined, like, because I'm in film, like I've stated, I'm a part of now on Facebook the Full Sail casting list, so I can look at that if I need to wanna act in student films that are here, or B, wanna get actors to be on film sets that my friends and I shoot or whatnot. So there's that, and there's also, like I said, networking with other people here and getting in touch, and that's helped me a lot, staying up to date on film projects that I'm working on, so I can see the dates of when I need to be on sets and stuff.
Alright. And that is it.
Alrighty.
Alright.
Bye, Felicia.